When we looked at them, they were in the uniforms and official enforcement uniforms. Father Honorable Speaker, when they were questioned, they said they were given the uniforms to perform some duties, Honorable Speaker, which they were not aware. The police arrested them. They are in police custody. Honorable Speaker, we want to understand. We want to know who provided the uniforms and for what purpose. Honorable Speaker, further, if this is the way the county is working the executive, it is so disappointing, Honorable Speaker. We have to investigate, Honorable Speaker, and as a house, we should not be intimidated when we are discharging our duties. Further, Honorable Speaker, you can remember what happened last week in this house when workers, that is on Tuesday, Honorable Speaker, workers, they are not workers but goons, but they work here, Honorable Speaker, that they can enter into this plenary, Honorable Speaker. Now, we don't know whether they were harmed, Honorable Speaker. So we are working in fear, and that one must be investigated, Honorable Speaker, and reported in police. This is a restricted, Honorable Speaker, for non-honorable members. I rest my case, Honorable Speaker. Thank you.
The office of the clerk to handle the matter and inform the relevant authorities. Next order. Honorable members, the House stand adjourned until Tuesday, 15th October, 2:30 p.m. Thank you.
Wait.